Welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. It's been a minute since I've posted a recipe video on here, probably a few months, and in that time I have grown a lot of new followers, so welcome to all of you who are new. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen a post where I announced that things are going to be growing around here a little bit because we have a baby boy due this December. So we are so excited, and if you're new, I have a daughter named Nadia also, so this is going to be baby number 2. And we just took a little bit of a break. It's really different when the thing that you love so much and the thing that you base like your whole life around is something that you want nothing to do with during pregnancy. So we took a little bit of a break during that time, feeling much better now, thank goodness. So we are going to be back with weekly videos for you. First one will be coming tomorrow on some Baja fish tacos, which I filmed like a couple months ago. So that will be on the lookout for that tomorrow, and then we will be rolling them out weekly starting this week as well. So next week you can expect another video. In the meantime, you can always follow me on Instagram at The Bite with Jackie. I did change my Instagram name to The Bite with Jackie so that everything is a little more cohesive and everything flows a little bit better. And you can also find all my recipes completely written out on my blog, so you can find that in the description box below. So stay tuned. We have a lot of great stuff coming up for you, and I am excited to share all these new recipes with you throughout the rest of the summer and into fall and the holiday season. So stay tuned. I will see you tomorrow with our first video back, and thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.